Hey everyone! Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of getting healthy? Today, I'm taking on the challenge of incorporating 5 easy healthy habits into my daily routine for a whole week, and I'd love for you to join me on this journey. We all know that making healthy choices is essential for our overall well-being, but sometimes it can feel daunting. With so much information out there about what to eat, how to exercise, and which supplements to take, it's hard to know where to start. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be complicated? Just a few simple habits can make a significant impact on your health and happiness. I think we can all agree that adopting healthy habits can be tough. We often start strong, determined to make a change, but then life gets in the way. It's easy to get caught up in the latest trends, spending hours researching the best workout or diet, only to feel overwhelmed and defeated. Sometimes, we even feel like we're not doing enough. But here's the truth, making healthy choices doesn't have to be about grand gestures. It's about small, sustainable shifts in our daily routines that add up over time. Let's dive into some easy healthy habits that can profoundly impact our lives. First up, let's talk about hydration. Drinking more water is one of the simplest habits you can adopt. It's not rocket science, right? But many of us struggle to stay hydrated. A tip that works for me is keeping a water bottle with me at all times. This way, I'm constantly reminded to take a sip, and it becomes second nature. Next, let's incorporate movement into our day. I'm not talking about an hour-long gym session, just small bursts of activity. For example, I take the stairs instead of the elevator or go for a quick walk during my lunch break. Every little bit counts. Now, let's discuss mindful eating. It's so easy to rush through meals without really paying attention. When we slow down and savor our food, we not only enjoy it more but also make healthier choices. One trick I use is to eat with my non-dominant hand. It makes me more aware of each bite. I want to share a quick story that illustrates how powerful these habits can be. My friend Sarah was struggling with low energy and bloating. She decided to start with just one healthy habit, taking a 10-minute walk outside during her lunch break. That small change sparked a chain reaction. She began to feel more energized and confident, and it inspired her to adopt even more healthy habits. The key takeaway here is that it's not about drastic changes or overhauling our lives overnight. It's about making small, sustainable shifts that add up over time. By incorporating these easy healthy habits, drinking more water, moving throughout the day, and practicing mindful eating, you can experience profound improvements in your health and happiness. I'd love to hear from you. What healthy habits have worked for you? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more health-related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.